Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox crash and unexpected error occurred and Roblox need to quit. Let's fix it guys in 1 minute. Let's jump straight into it. Right click on the Roblox app and select properties and select in here compatibility tab. Check mark both of it guys. Disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Check mark it both of it and apply and OK. And go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it guys. You installed the Roblox game drive, you just need to select it guys. Select OK and select cleanup system files. Click on the drive we just installed Roblox. Click on OK. You just need to check mark all of these items in here guys. You just need to check mark all of these and select OK. It will permanently delete all of these files. So this is all are temporary files only guys. This cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Wait for it until this finish. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.